All right, hey, welcome back to the bench. Today I've got a little something. We're going to check out this double-headed cutter, model YT-160A. See how this does on some 18-gauge sheet metal. So, like, subscribe. See you in just a minute. All right, so I showed you this. You saw this if you saw my toolbox tour. So if not, just, click on this little guy right here. Anyway, we're going to open this up here. And so this has kind of the little round cutter. So you can cut holes, has a nice little hole saw to stick that sucker in. Today we're just going to kind of check how this thing works. Basically you put this in a drill, right, and it just kind of nibbles stuff away. So we're going to kind of move the cameras around here. We're going to set this up. And see how this thing chops. All right, be right back. Okay, first thing we got to do is put this together. So I don't know if putting this on with the impact is a good idea, but that's what we're going to do. So we'll see how. Well, it's kind of scary. So, actually need this piece of sheet metal. So we'll see here. Let's try this with a drill. Okay, so first thing to do is to get this sucker actually in your drill. So then it's got a little handle here that just kind of goes over one of the cutter heads. And just really set that to drill mode there. The way this works is you come in on this direction. So I think what I'll do is kind of start on this side here. We'll see if you can see that here. Yeah, hey, works. So obviously, you're probably going to need a little practice on this, but it does work. Let's see here. Really need to have this clamped. All right, that's a little better. Oh, hey, that works pretty nice. Especially once you get that clamped down. I'm going to put this little straight edge. So this thing here, kind of handy, has little measurements on it, so you can do a straight cut, you know, just by putting this on the edge there, or you can do a circle by, you know, doing like that from this point. So we're going to try that, see what we can do. 8mm nut there, and then it has a handy little ratchet with the proper hex wrench in it right away. So let's get this on there. Oh, so first thing I noticed, depending on, you know, you can't really get that too close there, so I'm gonna have to back this off a little bit. So it looks like the minimum width is about, I don't know, 25. What is that? 26-ish. And I guess this is millimeters. So minimum width is about 26mm, it looks like. It's about as close in as you can get it. So we'll see how that works. Again, the metal comes in this direction, so if you want to do a straight line, you will have to make sure that that's straight on there. That's a 19mm. So then you just set this on the edge of the metal here, right? Yeah, you know, it does a pretty good straight line. So imagine doing the circular. It's probably a little more challenging than it bounces around, and you've got to have the clearance as well. So you might have to drill a hole in the middle, I bet, but that kind of, you know, if you want a perfect circle without a hole in the middle of it, be kind of tough. Anyway, you know, it seems like it works pretty good. You know, I got the idea, you know, I saw this on Nate Pickles' channel, Dirt Lifestyle. and I needed it for a couple little projects around the house, and so picked it up, and you know, he recommended it, and looks like it does its job. So, you know, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Like, subscribe, comment down below if you have anything to say. Take it easy.